Bro, I'm not even kidding. Season 3 of Classroom of the Elite just exposed something so dark, so uncomfortable, that most fans are still in denial about it. This season didn't just continue the story, it literally destroyed the illusion of what we thought this anime was about. And the craziest part, the biggest manipulation, wasn't done by the system, it was done by him. Okay, listen. Imagine this. You are sitting in a quiet cafe, coffee in your hand, and suddenly you realize the main character you have been rooting for. He doesn't even see people as humans. That's season 3. And today, we are not doing normal recap. We are exposing controversies, hidden truths, and psychological realities that most YouTubers are too scared to talk about. The biggest misconception. Let's break the biggest lie first. Most people think Anokoji is a cool genius. No, that's the biggest misunderstanding. He's not cool, he's emotionally broken. Season 3 proves it again and again. He doesn't help people because he cares, he helps them because they are usual assets. And the controversy, fans are romanticizing this behavior. Like, bro, this is not Sigma mindset. This is trauma turned into control. Now, let's talk about the real uncomfortable truth. The White Room isn't just a training facility, it's basically a human experiment. Season 3 dropped subtle hints that Ainokoji was never raised to live, he was raised to win. No emotions, no attachments, no identity. And here's the controversy. The anime barely shows how disturbing this actually is. Light novel readers know what we saw, that's just the surface. If they fully adapted it, this wouldn't feel like a school anime anymore. It would feel like a psychological horror. Season 3 made one thing clear. Nobody is safe from Aino Koji. Not friends, not allies, not even people who trust him. Every relationship is calculated move. And here's the shocking truth. He doesn't just manipulate enemies. He manipulates people who care about him the most. That's what makes it disturbing. Because normally in anime, there's at least one person the MC protects emotionally. But here, everyone is expendable. Gossip why some fans hated season 3. Now let's talk about the fandom drama. Season 3 got a lot of mixed reactions. Some people said it's a slow, it's not hype enough, it's all mind games, no action. But here's the truth this season was never about action, it was about control. And that's why many fans felt uncomfortable. Because deep down they realized there's no hero here, just different levels of manipulation. Let me hit you something real. Anokoji represents a dangerous idea. If you remove emotions, you become unstoppable. But season 3 quietly proves the opposite. He may win every battle, but he is losing something bigger his humanity. And that's the real tragedy of the story. He's not climbing to the top, he's just proving what happens when a human becomes a perfect weapon. So, next time you watch The Classroom of the Elite Season 3, don't just look at his strategies, look at what it's costing him. Because the scariest part of this anime isn't the exams, it's not the competition, it's the fact that someone like Anokoji can exist without feeling anything. And now, I want to ask you something. Do you actually admire Anokoji or Are you just fascinated by how broken he is? Comment down your thoughts. And if you want more deep, emotional anime breakdowns like this, you already know what to do. Subscribe and let's decode these stories together.